Did you know an ancient general dragged 37 war elephants through the freezing Alps to attack Rome? Yeah, elephants. This isn't fantasy. Hannibal, one of history's greatest commanders, pulled it off over 2000 years ago. Why? To take down the superpower of the time, Rome. He knew they'd never expect an invasion from the north, especially through these mountains. Blinding snowstorms, icy cliffs, thousands of soldiers, and Hannibal thought, elephants can survive this. When he reached Italy, he'd lost almost half of his army and elephants, but still shocked Rome at their doorstep. Hannibal's Alpine trek wasn't just insane, it was one of the boldest military moves ever. Would you follow a guy who said, let's take elephants through a snowstorm? Let me know in the comments and follow for more crazy history.